look at some problem of logs. This is the complexity, so you combine all the some of the laws that we have gone through. So they say simplify this one, simplify this equation. So we use some of these laws to simplify this equation. So let's get started. So you see here the exponent is 3, the base all are 2. So to simplify this, we are trying to make it to be in a single log. So now let's start by adding them, like we are using this law. From this point we are going backwards for this one. So because the power is cube, so they each have the same power, so we can multiply this together. So let's get started. So we have let me see, a raised to 3, e raised to 3 on top, and then 2. Now because the base is the same, you can make it, you'll make it 1, and the bottom part as well, you will do it the same. It's AB, base 2. So now you can take the 3 out from the bracket because the power is the same. You can write it like this. The base is 2. We have AB. Then taking 3 to the other side. So we are using this law. Now, yes, yeah, this one. Yeah, using this law, we are taking the power to the side. So we are going this direction. We are taking y to be at the side. It's like this. And then base 2. And log AB. So you see now this thing is the same. Top part and the bottom part is the same. So we'll cancel this one. Then you are left with this one. So this is how you use the law to solve the log. Let's look at the next one. This one, they say solve for x. So to solve for x, we can break this one first. Breaking the log 27 into exponent, you'll have 3 raised to 3. And then we'll take the 3 in front, same apply to this law. So now you see it's log 3 base 3, so 3 divided by 3, it's like they will cancel each other. So it's the same as log 3 and 3 will cancel. So from here you have something like, remember the base here is 10. So to change this one to exponent, because we are solving for x, we'll take the 10 to the other side and then we're left with, so this is how we convert from an exponent, from a logarithm to an exponent. So we are taking the 10 to this side and then we'll be left, the x will leave it like this, and then this is it. So 10 to the power 3 is like 1000. So x is 1000, x is 1000. So this is how you solve for x. So we have used this law to solve this problem as well. So this one, it's like changing from log to a exponent. So there are some law of exponent that combine with the logarithmic. So to say simplify, to simplify this thing, you see that the base is 10 because there's nothing here, is 10. So 8 to 2. So here we are using the law, this one first, for the log 8, for log 8. So log 8 is like 2 to the power 3. There's 2 here. So you take the 2 to the other side using this law for the first one. Now you see you have a log of 2, so you can write it into a single log using this this one. We are returning backwards, so there's 3. That means this one you add is like 3x and 2x, 1, and it's the same thing. So you just add, the logs are the same now. If their log are the same like this, you can add them. So it's like you're adding the coefficient, which 3 plus 2 plus 1, so which is 6. And then let's